Mahalaha, Masaba, Mahala. Oh shit, here come customer. Hey bro, how you doing, boss? You want swisher? No, you don't want swisher. You want rubber. You got big freaking car, huh? I can tell. You the man. You freaky freak, you the man.
This ain't the Pottery Barn?
Oh yeah, I got pet. I got what you want, bro. I got crab. I got pit boot for you. I also got swisher and rubber. That comes out to $53.93, sir. Thank you. Wait, ho. I just wanted directions. You know buy? I'll direct you straight out of my store. You know buy my gear. You better buy this crab. He's already in bag. What am I do? Take him out? He's already sold. Oh, no, bro. I'm sorry. I got brand new 1993 Topaz. Run like new. Only 333,000 miles. That's it. And if it don't run right, I got a guy. He does mechanic, plumbing, taxes. He does internet, website, pet grooming, licensed notary. Your pants too long? He does alterations and hemming, lawn service.
Sir.
He's a pool boy. He also will come to your house and babysit your kids.
Sir.
You get out of my store then. I got 3 goats and 12 wives. I do not need you.